Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today is a bit different. We are going unboxing this Mac Mini we have just got for the lab that we are working together with. It's a old version of the Mac Mini. It's the 2018 version. The box is like this. It's already still wrapped in this kind of covering. This is the product image. You can see the name here, Mac Mini. This side there's nothing. It's also called here Mac Mini. The specifications are here. As you can see, it's not that great. It's 3.6 gigahertz quad core Intel Core i3 processor with 6 megabyte of L3 cache, 8 GB RAM, 2666 megahertz, DDR4 RAM, and 128 GB of PCIe based SSD. And the internal graphics is based on Intel UHD Graphics 630. There are some good amount of ports, like there are 3 USB type C ports with high-speed I/O and video output too, 2 HDMI ports and 3 USB-A ports, and some other things. It doesn't have, it is the by default it is the CPU. Actually you need a external monitor, keyboard, mouse, and those kind of peripherals to work with it. So let's continue with the unboxing. It slides open from the back left side. Here is the slide. Here is the unit itself. Oh, it's very, it has some weight to it. Let's unbox the wrapping. Here's the bottom side. You can see the carving Mac Mini. It has a round shape here. It's the standing. As you can see, the ports are covered with this kind of glossy sticker, and there is nothing else everywhere. It's a black logo. It's a very good finish, and the body is made of aluminum and very Apple-ish finish, kind of premium feeling to it. Let's uncover the sticker from here for revealing the ports. That was satisfying. Here are the ports. As you can see, there are a lot of ports available. This is the power connector, the LAN port. This is the power switch back here. It doesn't have any built-in battery, so you need an external power outlet to power it, so it doesn't do anything. These are the 4 Thunderbolt USB type C ports, 2 USB. These USB 3. As you can see here, yes, they are actually USB 3 ports. These two, one. There's an HDMI too, so if you don't have a USB type C supported display cable, you can use this one. There's also a good old headphone jack, and this is the air vent. So that's it for the device itself. There is some carvings at the bottom of the Mac Mini. If you can see here, it says designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. There are some model numbers and some logos for the branding. So let's put this aside and see what is inside the box. There is this manual, some guides, I think Mac Mini, small 2-page introduction, and also another same thing in different language in China. Some other documents and some stickers, white stickers that you can put on top of this logo, something like this right here. and there is nothing else in this box. And there is this one. This is the power cable, I think. Yes, as you can see here, it slides up like that. It has a regional power cable, and it feels and shapes very premium. There's nothing else inside the box. That's it. So there you go. Thank you very much for watching this video. We are going to use this machine to do various kinds of editing tasks and Apple based development for the iPhone or other supported devices, and some other use cases. There is some small LED in front of this. I just noticed. It means maybe it's on or off, like that, if as if it is the back side, so you can actually identify if it is on or not. So thank you very much. We'll see you in our next video.